Solve the equation. 4 plus 6 over x minus 3 is equal to 2x over x minus 3. To solve this equation, let's first eliminate the fractions or rational expressions by multiplying both sides of the equation by the LCD. The LCD here is the denominator, x minus 3. So we'll multiply the left side of the equation by x minus 3, and we'll multiply the right side of the equation by x minus 3. When we do that, we distribute the x minus 3. We have 4 times x minus 3 plus 6 over x minus 3 times x minus 3, which is just plus 6. On the right side, we have 2x over x minus 3 times x minus 3, which is just 2x. Now we simplify the left side by distributing the 4. We have 4x minus 12 plus 6 is equal to 2x. We simplify further by combining like terms. We have 4x minus 6 is equal to 2x. We then subtract 4x from both sides. We have negative 6 is equal to negative 2x. And then we divide both sides of the equation by negative 2 to get 3 equals x. Now let's substitute 3 in for x into the original equation and determine if a true statement results. If we substitute 3 for x in the original equation, note that both of our denominators, which are x minus 3, would equal 0. Therefore, this expression or original equation is not defined for x equals 3, and therefore that is not a solution, and this equation has no solution. We also say that the solution is the empty set.